Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got Sarum with me on his driving lesson, and we're looking at how to do a reverse bay park. Now normally we do the reverse bay parking in the test center car park on the day of the test, but as you know we can't use their car park for training purposes, so we do train in additional car parks. Now you've had a go at it before, so we're just trying to make it a little bit better with practice, and you've already got some guideline to it at the moment, so we're going to look at it how it is. Yeah, so we're already parked in a bay, we're going to take it out and then try and put it back in. And normally the bays they use are empty, and if we do pick it in a car park, we tend to pick 2 or 3 spaces. It is a little bit busy today here because Sundays now people are shopping a bit more in these far side car parks they're parking as well. So we'll keep an eye on them. If you select first gear and we're going to move forward, remember to keep the car slow as you can with the clutch, so you're just lifting and dipping it. So if you lift and dip and then turn, that's it. Dip the clutch a little bit, and we just want the car to straighten up a little bit, so it's fine. And if you stop there, brake gently. You can even signal to let them know, left signal, that we're staying here. So if you select reverse, now the important thing of car parks, you have that full check. You got to be keeping an eye on other cars as well and pedestrians with trolleys. Okay, if you cancel the signal, full central check all around. Now the way I teach this maneuver, I don't bring out too much reference points for it. We know that the bays on the left are empty, so we're going to inch back a little bit. We're going to turn the car first, and then I'll give you the reference that we want. If you remember last time I was saying with the line, so if you full lock it to me, pause there, brake a little bit, have a look around, see if anything's changed. And also you can use the door mirror there. Now you can see the box. Can you see the line behind the back door? So I always ask people, let the tire reach that line behind the back door. So we're roughly going for that box there, and you can see that it's not really going there. So you can reduce the turn a little bit and that should be okay. So as soon as the tire's close to the line, you're going to re-lock it to me. And believe it or not, this is the easiest way. So if you full left lock now, and then you can pause, take a break there, do your observation check again, see if anything's changed, and that's comfortably going into that box now. Can you see? As soon as it lines up with the line, we're going to stop. And stop there, brake and straighten your wheel now. Good. And then now check down both mirrors, see if you're in the box. You just have to go back a few feet, so you're looking over the shoulder at his vehicle at the front, the curb. That gives you one idea. You can use the door mirror also as well to see where the curb is. And the other thing I ask for is let the mirrors just sit in behind the line. Can you see the front line there? And that's roughly in the box now. Okay, if you go neutral there, what do you think of that?
Pretty good,
So the easiest way to do it, a lot of learners when they're parked, and some instructors do teach it like this, you know, like how I make you do the forward way, and I use the markup on the front door there, and then you lock it. For the reversing one, I choose not to use a reference. The only reason for that is because when you're parked there, you can't see the markings, you can't see the bays. So I always ask people to turn the vehicle, because the bays will all be empty when you're doing this at the test center. And as the car gets diagonal, you can see the marking in the door mirror. And then you can choose the marking that's behind the back tire. Because if you go for the immediate one, the car goes half and half in the box, which isn't a problem because you're allowed to go forward and come back to fix it. But if you use that line as the guideline, and you let the tire reach it by reducing the turn, and as soon as the tire's on that line and you re-lock it, it nicely fits into this box. If you open your door and check it there, it'll be nicely in this box. Can you see?
It is.
Okay, and then close the door. If you ever do check it with them, make sure it's in neutral, you know, on a driving test. So that's the second time you've done that. Did you find it difficult, or was it okay?
The start was difficult, but now I'm getting the
You're getting the hang of it. And again, they wouldn't do it in this car park. They're not allowed to use public car parks for reverse bay. They have to do it at the beginning of the test. The only one you would do here is a forward right bay or a forward left bay. We've done forward right bay. We can also look at the forward left bay. And the thing is, you use the same reference for the forward left bay as well. Well, we're going to keep practicing it. We added it into your lessons for now. Okay. Okay guys, that's all for this lesson, for this video. And if you like that, hit the like, subscribe, switch on the notifications for the next video. Thank you for watching.